Hello, my dear friends! Tulipical makeup is with you, and today we are going to make a New Year makeup, because New Year Eve is already knocking on the doors. 2022 is about to glow, so let's not waste the time and get into it. So, preparing the skin. Don't forget to work with all open skin zones, because evening dresses usually presupposes open neckline or shoulders or even ears. Yes, ears supposed to shine as well and supposed to be prepared. Some more skin preparation to make the under eye zone smooth with this matte finish. Thin layer of foundation, and please notice that I work with all open skin zones again. Concealer for lightening the problem center zones, and usually those are the upper inner side of the bridge of the nose, under eye zone, under brow zone, along the nose, near the nostrils. To fix the foundation layer, I'm using the glowing product, highlighter of a warm shade. Mineral powder to the under eye zone and color powder to all over the skin. As an eye primer, I'm using a creamy product of a light beige color. Combing the brow hair, drawing some additional hairs with a tint brow liner. I'm starting with the lower eyelid, and I'm putting saturated blue color to the core line, then spreading it to the lash line and connect it with the upper eyelid. Fixing the color with the dry eye shadows. Then lightening the inner corner of the eyes, filling the upper eyelid with a deep gold color. Drawing the wings, no breathing. Well, when you succeed with eyeliner, it's a big deal. Some of you have heard that the color of the 2022 is a very berry. So I've decided to draw graphics in purple, and in combination with deep blue, we are going to have this very berry mood. Adding some volume to the wings, and sparkling liquid gold to eyelids. Final emphasis to the inner corners, some eyeliner of a purple color. Now you see rhinestones appeared in our makeup. 3 blue little ones in the inner corner and purple along the graphic line. Purple mascara on the lower eyelashes, it will turn our blue color to the very berry. Beam form of eyelashes, first put them to the place and after that use black mascara. Pinkish blush, lip pencil of a cosmic pink color, metallic velvet lips, lip gloss, and don't forget about highlighter. And voila! Shiny, cosmic, magic look for a New Year night. Hope you enjoyed the look we've created today, and thank you so much for your thumbs up, for your subscription, and of course I wish you all the best what you can imagine in 2022. See you!